Hi, Jason here with WTI. Wanted to talk to everyone about this wireless security camera system. I wanted something that was very versatile, and so I wanted something, of course, that could be expandable. I wanted good quality. I wanted it to be wireless also, but then just have, like the day-night vision, waterproof. I wanted 24/7 recording. And then I wanted also, I thought was really important for me was remote access. Something that had an app that I could use when I was away from home and be able to look at the footage. It also came with a 1 terabyte drive that would store all the recordings. I also wanted something that was going to be easy to install, something that was going to be reliable, didn't have to worry about it. I also saw that you can assign IP addresses to the cameras through an Ethernet port, which was great. The installation was really simple, straightforward, and the footage was remarkable, awesome, super clear, and the hardware, again, top of the line, really well done, and I really enjoy this system. It really helps with my security around my home, and I enjoy it. So this has been something that, of course, we love. It's been working very well for us, and I know it'll work well for you, but that is just my point of view.